There's SciFest Dubai. Glad to see you all there. It's Michael Shermer here from Skeptic Magazine and the Skeptic Society. As you can see, this is sunny Southern California that I'm talking to you from here. Those mountains right back there, those are the San Gabriel Mountains, and right behind that peak right there, is Mount Wilson, where the expanding universe was discovered by Edwin Hubble. And that's pretty cool, right outside of Los Angeles, which is that direction. And anyway, I'm glad to hear you guys are doing good science and skepticism there in Dubai. It's needed there. It's needed everywhere in the world. I just thought I'd introduce you to our magazine here. Here's Skeptic Magazine. We do lots of different issues. This one's on climate change and global warming. It's a good test about skepticism. Are you a global warming skeptic, or are you skeptical of the global warming skeptics? So this tells us that skepticism is not a thing. It's like science. It's like, well, it depends on the particular claim, and that depends on the evidence. And so they're all different. For example, we did one on alternative medicine cures. We put Steve Jobs on our cover there after he died, when we found out that he was using alternative medicine initially to treat his cancer rather than traditional medicine. Well, there's no such thing as alternative medicine. There's just science-based medicine and everything else. And as they say, you know what you call medicine that has, you know what you call alternative medicine with evidence? Just medicine. We did one on an issue on gun control. This one's not so easy. There's not an obvious, simple answer. So that tells us that some areas of skepticism are much more complex, and and so we think that science is skepticism, and skepticism is science. It's all the same. All scientists are skeptics. You start off with not believing the claim. The burden of proof is on you. If you think you have a claim you think is true, you have to prove it to us. It's just the way it works. The reason for that is because most claims that people make are not true. And, so that's why we produce things like this little booklet here. It's a nice thin little booklet, Skeptic's Guide to Global Climate Change by Don Prothero. Just basically lining up all the claims that global warming skeptics make, and here's what, scientists, how they answer them. So you have kind of just a nice little, like here's a rebuttal, here's the graphs, here's the curve, here's what the data shows. Because, science is, the best tool we have. And I even apply it to morality. That's why my latest book, The Moral Arc, How Science and Reason Lead Humanity Toward Truth, Justice, and Freedom. I think it's possible to apply science to everything. Why not? It's the best tool we have. There's no reason why we shouldn't at least try, even if we don't, make it. It's okay. At least we try. So anyway, that's it. Signing off. Good luck over there. Glad you guys are doing that. Nice to see you, and maybe someday I'll be able to get over there. Never been to that part of the world. Would love to see that. So have fun and, be skeptical. All right. Bye.